We begin with the latest on the deadly shooting of the last 24 hours in Olympic Gardens, St. Andrew, with news that an infant who was injured is still in hospital and cops are searching for 3 suspects.
4 people were shot, 3 fatally in the incident. The infant's medical condition is not known, but the police say they might be onto something to make an early arrest.
TVJ's Kirk Wright has this primetime news follow-up.
Inspector Victor Henry of the Olympic Gardens police station says the investigation into the triple killing is gaining traction, but did not want to disclose details. We went back into the area where the 3 were killed. It happened close to 7 last night in front of the victims' gates. Police say a man walked up to 2 men at this spot, one of whom was carrying a baby, and shot them.
The woman who had left the baby in the care of the man, she had apparently gone to do some shopping nearby. When she heard the explosions, she ran back to the scene and unfortunately, she met her demise.
For the last couple of weeks, there have been several shootings and deaths in Olympic Gardens.
And the persons who were shot last night we are led to believe were friends or relatives of the perpetrator. So, as they say, if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him shot. But citizens, persons residing in this community know who the perpetrators are. And we will be working hand in hand with them to get to the bottom of this.
The police say last night's killing was in reprisal for a previous shooting death 6 weeks ago. Inspector Henry feels if the justice system treated convicts differently, then some violent incidents could be avoided.
We need more stringent laws though. The justice system, as soon as you catch these perpetrators, they are granted bail by the justice system. That is not to say that a person should not be granted bail because he is innocent until proven guilty, but you know, sometimes the perception is out there that you have caught the right person, you have caught the murderer, and 2 days after he's out on the streets. So persons are saying, what kind of justice is this?
Less than 24 hours after the triple killing, the area looked like this. After a shooting, the people are usually slow to get back to normal. Inspector Henry says things are changing.
Persons are taking it in stride, and that is what bothers me. You know, persons do not really take murder as something exceptional. You know, it's a run-of-the-mill thing.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.